Welcome everybody to our Sunday school. What we're featuring here today is 3D Waterless. 3D Waterless and 3D Speed. We're going to show you how to bring this fender back. So this little section right here, you're going to learn a lot this Sunday. So right now, the first thing I'm going to use I'm going to use a 3D Waterless. 3D Waterless, there's two different ways of using it. Either after you wash it, you can use it as a final touch. This is a real good lubrication and it hides a lot of little imperfections. And also to use it as a waterless car wash, as we're going to do right now. This car is very dirty, it's never been washed. So the way you do it, you want to spray on the surface. You want to be thorough. That's enough right there. This right here is overkill. You don't want to be dripping. Once you start dripping, you're not green anymore because now it's touching the ground. So being like this and not touching the ground over here, you're being green. So now what you want to do, with one direction, pick up all the debris, all the contamination, all the water, and with the next one, you buff off. And if you see, the fender didn't get no difference. It's all ugly and contaminated. So right now we're gonna make it live again with 3D Speed. So right now I'm gonna use a 3D clay towel and I'm gonna use a 3D Glow Series clay lube. You guys can hear it. Very contaminated. So this is what we're gonna do. It's gonna eliminate all the airborne contamination. Anything that's stuck on there, it's gonna prep the surface. All right, so our next step after the clay is going to be the 3D Speed. This right here is an all-in-one correction glaze. And what I'm going to use right now, I'm going to use a 21mm polisher with our heavy cut white spider pad. So this pad right here, when you get it, you might be afraid of it because it's pretty stiff. But once it gets used, it gets very, very soft. I'm going to put on number 6. By using Speed right here, we eliminated some light imperfections and a lot of oxidation that this truck has right here. It's mainly oxidation that it has that you see on there. And there you have it. Real quick, one step, and brought the life back to the paint. All right, everybody, thank you for joining us on the Sunday School. Just real quick, what I use a clay lube. First, I use waterless. I use a clay lube, the clay towel, Speed with the heavy cutting white pad from 3D, our new one, spider pad, 21mm dual action polisher, and 3D Speed, an all-in-one correction glaze, compound polish and wax. Thank you guys for joining us. See you next Sunday. Have a good weekend.